Hello there. You see, I was born and raised a Catholic. I served at Mass, and most of the people I served were white Reverend Fathers. So my values were very strong as I was growing up. And by the grace of God, I have my own children, and I raised them under very strict puritanical discipline as I was raised. I am not one to be involved with politics because it does not interest me, I'll put it that way. But you see, not all your children are bound to follow you. One of my sons, who incidentally is an actor, have decided that he wants to be a politician. Most of the youngsters have been bugging my phone, asking me to endorse my son, that they want him as president. And I get amused. But you see, they keep insisting, Daddy, we want you to be the president of this country. We who are young men, we like him. He is disciplined, he's sympathetic, he believes a lot in people, he thinks the youth should have a chance. They have bothered me so much that I have decided that today I am hereby presenting him to you. He has my blessing. He has my endorsement. Any day he decides to veer off from the discipline under which he was raised, I will withdraw him from the fight. I give you my word. Shall be well with you, son. Thank you. Since it has been your ambition to be into politics and you desire to run for the presidency of this country, may the good Lord assist you, protect you, preserve you, promote you, channel your course, and direct you, and make this prayer through Jesus Christ our Lord. You can rise.
Thank you, sir. Good. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.